This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. Fold out the locking lever from the battery negative terminal clamp and disconnect the negative lead. Secure the cable to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Whenever a bulb is renewed, note the following points. Remember that if the light has just been in use, the bulb may be extremely hot. Always check the bulb contacts and holder, ensuring that there is a clean metal-to-metal contact between the bulb and the socket's contacts. Clean off any corrosion or dirt before fitting a new bulb. Wherever bayonet type bulbs are fitted, ensure that the live contacts bear firmly against the bulb contact. Always ensure that the new bulb is of the correct rating and that it is completely clean before fitting it. If removing the left-hand headlight bulb, release the clip and pull the screen wash reservoir filler neck upwards from place. Pull the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Disconnect the wiring plug from the rear of the bulb. Release the retaining spring clip and remove the bulb from the headlight unit. Caution: when handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with the fingers. Moisture and grease from the skin can cause blackening and rapid failure of this type of bulb. If the glass is accidentally touched, wipe it clean using methylated spirit. Avoid knocking or shaking the bulb as this may weaken the filament. Install the new bulb. Ensure that the locating tabs on the bulb are correctly located in the lights unit cutouts. Secure the bulb in position with a retaining clip. Connect the wiring plug to the bulb and refit the rubber cap to the rear of the headlight. Connect the lead to the negative battery terminal and fold in the locking lever, securing the cable firmly onto the post.